Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will show you how you make uh, and the demo for the space shooting game. So this is the game. I will show you first game like what. So first there is UI and there is two player in here, which is the blue player 1 and red player 2. And if you click play, it will show two buttons, which is solo and co-op. If you want to play solo, just click the button. And when you are playing solo, you can click this. It was when in direction mouse swing. Shoot always looking and pin out the moment. So you control it with the mouse. And shoot the asteroid. If you crash into asteroid, the it will explode if you are die. Yeah. And there is also the option for co-op. You play with two people in same laptop. Option using E, and there is a mechanism where you need to help each other to destroy the asteroid. Like to destroy two asteroid. And gray means that can be shot by red or but it's a little buggy. Okay. I don't know why. For the channel, I will show you the code. And here for the player. Benar. So it will set the GUI layers to 0. But since it's player, you need to make it the middle layer for the background, above the background and below the score and anything. And it will hide first because we don't want this. And for the solo, when you click the solo, this will set the variable that you need to control. Like the game mode, solo co-op should key to space if, and player condition alive or no, condition losing to 0, and everything that you need. And the player is using clone. So you make the clone like this. Okay. You make the player using clone, not making two sprite. And this is all the control, and this is for the cooldown for the player if shooting, and this is for smooth movement. That is the control of the smooth movement, and the halt is for showing the halt. And this is for explosion. This is if touching the asteroid, and this is for pointing in direction to the mouse. Since it need some difficulties because the point in direction point our mouse pointer didn't work. And change cooldown, it will change the cooldown like 0.1 and more. This will repeat until the player health is below 1, means 0. Okay, remember this is for effect, and this is also do the same for the player 2. See, the clone name is player 2. This is using clone. For the difference, player 2 is using this G, L for moving, and E for move forward. This is for direction. If the player 1 not in solo mode, you move using WASD for moving, and direction using mouse, and shooting using space. But if you click co-op, it will change because for co-op for two players to play on the same laptop. And for this is the help at exposition to the help. No. This is the list. List is used for help and back for making a global effect. And help using list is by using this sprite. and create clone of the HP like this. And this is the costume. There is a bullet, ballot, and player 2. And I forgot to show you the ballot. You need to shoot using this variable to control using this. And it will repeat. The ballot will move 10 steps. According to the direction of the player, it will repeat move 10 steps until it touching the edge and or touching the asteroid gameplay. This is for the cooldown to make it not buggy ya, and delete this clone. Okay. And then there is this. Solo, this is for if the two player are dying, set condition losing to loss and broadcast go back to the menu. And also wait. For the co-op, the player 1 needs to protect the player 2 from touching the and dying from the asteroid. If the player 2 die, then the player 1 also automatically die. When I retrieve go back to menu, it make an effect to slowly disappear. And now get back to the menu. The menu is a little bit long, but it's all for the effect. For the play, there is in here is also using the clone technique. Like the red, there is for the decorative, and also the play. This will make clone of 2 co-op and solo. The button co-op. If you are touching and mouse pointer and mouse down, like you make a and the cooldown. So the cooldown is 1 second to not make any bugs. Okay. And the solo also does the same. It will broadcast when you are clicking it. Look, solo closing. It's all for effect. Set brightness, change size, auto exposition, all for that. And also if the toggle play on or off, like this. Wait. If you click play on off, this will on and off like that. Okay. Now when you create the clone, it will switch the costume to clone height like that. And when click, it will set the clone height to what for the button, the button, the blue and red, the logo, the button play. And this is for when you are dying. But go back to the menu like that. But there is a delay 1 second. And when I receive co-op closing, if not clone ID logo. If the clone is not the logo and accept the logo, it will hide, slowly disappear like that. But if the logo, it will slowly go to the middle and make a transition like that. And this is do the same. Instead, it broadcast hello, not co-op. Okay. For the asteroid, when click it will hide. Same with using clones. And when I retrieve co-op, this is setting the speed, health, and clone control. The clone control is to make it effect. This will spawn every minute, every 1 second. And also in here there is how I will show later. Now when I start as a clone, it will set the effect like the ghost effect to 0 and set ghost effect to FX. This will make the transition also or make it better than only using repeat and change ghost, because it will look very bad. And also this is for the like what when the asteroid is touching the edge and outer edge, this will change and like transition going through the edge like that, and switch costume to asteroid costume. This is not anymore, but it really important to to the co-op because it will set the custom like what custom the custom. Okay, there is a explosion. This explosion is a bit hard because it is very confusing because, and also this will set X to item 2 of bank and the bank when you in some scripts like this or this, this will detect the item 1, the item 2, and item 3 to make like explosion. Look, delete. This will switch the costume to this and set X to the position of the player or asteroid, and delete or balat and delete 1 means 3 of the bank. Create clone of myself. This will create the clone. And how to activate it, because and this is for prevent a bug. When I set as clone, will switch a point in direction pick random to make a cool effect to like randomize, and this to make a disappearing effect. This is for the number. So how it works, if the the main is only 3 only 1 only 2 you only need this 3. Okay, so it will set the letter number 8. It will change the number ID by 1 if repeat 6. So each number is changing. So there is a custom for making the number like this. It will set the custom to 0 0 this is empty, 0 1 2 and 10 to 9 like that, and this is set the letter number 8 score. If there is a 6 digits, then it will set the digits of the number of score, like the letter 2 of score and anything like that. And this is make the transition every time you there is a number change. And also now for the HP, the HP function the same as the bang effect, boom effect. Look, there is the list again, but this different is halt. So it will go every time to anything that you want to have a halt, like asteroid have a halt and player have a halt. So you need to put this to make a visual effect of score. And now define halt. This is for the halt. Domain for the halt. Create clone of HP. So now when I reach good button, it all the transition. And if not touching the edge, it will delete. And every time if touching the edge is not delete, not gonna delete. If not. Okay, I think that's all for the game. Thank you for watching the video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.